Ayan. Okay, so hi, my name is FPJ. Welcome to my channel, and we have Alec here.
Hello.
So we'll actually have her answer some of our slam book questions for this day. So handa ka na ba?
I think so. I hope
Okay.
so.
Okay, so first question. Define love.
Love is a many splendid thing. Like, okay, for me, I believe in the theory that love is just a chemical formulated by our brains, but it's the essence of being human. Yeah.
Okay. Next. Favorite food.
Dami. I like sushi. I like pizza with kimchi. I like chimek chicken. Um, I like. Oh, okay. I like a lot of things with tomato sauce. I love ketchup. Ketchup is the best.
Okay, next. Celebrity crush.
Meron nga ba? From
Kahit
where?
sino, kahit local or international, that's okay.
Um. Okay, I'll just say na. Okay, code name. Code name. People who know this celebrity will know by the code name. Fishy. Yeah, fishy.
You like to.
Yes. Secret.
Sounds sweet. Okay, next. Favorite song of the year?
Ah,
Either 2014 for the year 2014 or for this year.
Korean song siya.
Ako rin, so okay, yeah, that's okay.
Eyes, Nose, Lips by Taeyang.
Ah,
Yeah. The lyrics are good, and the song is also good. So just take out the fact that it's a, if you're racist or something, just take out the fact that you can't really understand the song. Just read the English translation while hearing it. It's awesome.
so next. Beauty secret.
Meron, meron pa ako.
Either beauty tips, ano yung ginagawa mo? Let's say you have a ritual every night or what do you do to keep your skin glowing? Ganun.
I don't take a bath. Hindi ako mahilig maligo. And, well, I I just, sometimes I put, am I allowed to say brands?
Okay, sure, sure.
Yeah, I put Cetaphil on my face. Yeah, and that's basically it. I take a bath. If I really really have to, and I've been out for like a whole day, I take a bath at night. But I don't take a bath in the morning because it's kind of useless unless you sweat in your sleep or something. Because you're clean all night, man. Why take a bath in the morning? So take a bath at night to remove all the germs and stuff from your face and your hair, and then yeah, that's what causes stuff.
Okay, and finally, favorite movie.
Perfume. Do you know the movie?
Yeah.
Hello there.
Familiar pero nakalimutan ko niya.
Okay. I think it's a
This is
French.
an application.
Yes, it's no, we're recording
Oh,
live.
you are sorry.
Yes.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
live.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jan.
He's from
From
Sud.
Sud. Yeah.
So,
I like
gusto mo,
pinching his
do you want to
fan.
be part of the slam book series?
Oh, what's the slam series?
You'll answer slam book questions like who is your crush, who is your no. So we're also recording this one.
Are we like
Yeah.
recording this right
Yes,
now?
and we'll be uploading this one on YouTube.
Yeah,
So
that'll be
yeah,
fun.
and the more the merrier. So okay, natapos na yung slam book questions natin. So this is the opportunity to promote yourself, your channel, your music, and kayo na rin. So,
Facebook.com, Sud. Just kidding.
I'm not sure what my Facebook URL is, but just search for Aleph Music, and then you'll see a big picture with a moon and four faces of Nicolas Cage on it, and Santa Claus on the Iron Throne, Timo from League of Legends, stuff like that. Yeah, that's my page. And my Twitter and Instagram is Aleph and Aright. So it's Aleph EN Aright. So yeah,
I have two hands, a left,
Aleph and Aright.
all them
Yes.
so clean and bright. So again, thank you very much sa nanonood and hopefully you will support Alep.
Yes.
She's now part of the Warner Music Philippines family, and hope to see more gigs, more, syempre, single, hopefully single
Yes,
soon.
soon,
Yun.
soon.
So again, this is PJ from Manso Life. And,
Bye-bye.